Hello math enthusiasts, welcome to section 1 of double integrals. In this section we're gonna to discuss about something is in 2 dimension, and after integration you can calculate every surface values. Without any further ado, let's get started. At the first I'm gonna to calculate partial integration. What's the meaning of that, guys? You know, when you're gonna to calculate something like this just in 1 dimension, you must consider y is a constant. Therefore, it comes out in the integral and its integration 0 to 1 x dx is y power 2 times x power 2 over 2 between 0 and 1. And if we put the 1 immediately, answer is y over 2 power 2. What about this, guys? Although the formula is the same, but in this partial integration, we're gonna to calculate integration with respect to y. Therefore, x is a constant and come out in the integration 0 to 1 y power 2 dy is x times radical y power 3 over 3 between 0 and 1, that is 1 over 3, and answer is x over 3. But in here, double integral. Let's dive in it. For example, if you're gonna to calculate this surface or mathematically this frame during this area, guys, you haven't just one direction. You have a 2 direction, yes? Not only x but also y. Therefore, our calculation turns to integration of fx and y dx dy. Also, fx and y dy dx. They are the same when your surface is continuous. Exactly, we use the partial integrals. For example, in here, at the first, I calculate this partial integration with respect to x, and answer is a function with respect to y. And after that, I calculate this integration, guys, with respect to y. Or another one, at the first, you calculate this integration, and after calculation is a function with respect to x, you start to integration again, but with respect to x. The explicit example, it's better way to understand better. But in here, at the first, I start to calculate this integration is 1. It's so simple. Therefore, with respect to y, answer is y, lower and top bound is sine and cosine. Cosine x minus sine x. But right now, I must calculate this integration with respect to x. Therefore, is integration of cosine x minus sine x between 0 and pi over 4 dx, yes? Okay, if you're not master to calculating integration techniques, please come back to integration from 0 to hero playlist, and I tell everything with details in this place. You know, that is cosine, that is sine x, mine cosine, and mine sine x. If you're gonna to calculate integration, you must go counterclockwise. Therefore, integration of cosine is exactly sine, but also integration of mine sine is cosine x plus cosine x, but right now 0 and pi over 4 is radical 2 plus radical 2 minus sine 0 plus cosine 0. Sine 0 is absolutely is 0, but that is 1. This part is radical 2 and this part is 1. Answer is radical 2 minus 1. What about example 2, guys? At the first, I must calculate this integration is 40x squared y. But right now, I put lower and top bound is 120 minus 9y. If I put the 1 is 40 minus y. 80 minus and minus is positive 1. 80 minus 8y. We must right now calculate 80 minus 80y dy 2 and 4. With respect to y is 80y minus 4y squared. Lower is 2, top is 4, is 320 minus 64. But right now 160 minus 16. That is 144. And this part also 625. That is 211. Therefore 112 is our total answer. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget forget to subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.